When we use fiber lasers in welding applications of metals, typically we have a lot of spatters coming out of the process. But what is the mechanism behind? Why do we have them? What is the secret to avoid them?
The formation of spatters depends significantly on keyhole stability. So the main idea behind the experiment was to manipulate keyhole stability by using a local gas flow and an adapted intensity distribution.
The knowledge we will get out of these experiments here in Grenoble, we will directly implement into our process development for customers. So direct from scientific to industrial.